Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to reshape your nose, like how do you make it much more slimmer, how do you tone it so that it looks good, because as we start aging we start losing the strength in our muscles, because we do have two muscles, two are here and two muscles are here, like around this area, so they do start weakening up, and then your nose starts drooping, you start seeing a lot of nasolabial folds and all of that, and your nose does appear to be looking manly. So we're gonna fix it with the exercises, and all of them are very easy to do. So let's start and let's see what should be the first exercise. So I always start with either warming up or so, but in this area what you can be doing is little bit warm up you can do here around this area, and after that you're gonna, next step always is acupressure. So do apply a little bit of acupressure around this area, this button here that you have around your philtrum, because this also will help in keeping the philtrum smaller, this area, because as it starts widening up then also you start looking older. So do massage this area, and with that we're going to massage this area for 30 seconds. Now next thing that you're going to do is you're going to bring this massage that you've been doing here up towards your nose. Like even you'll observe when you start having like this nasolabial fold, they do run from here across down to your mouth like this. So you first press the acupressure point here, you massage this, and then eventually you take it up like this across that line here at the center of nose. It does even hurt, so if you are having any kind of blockages it will be hurting a little bit, and then you go up here on the tip of your, that bridge of your nose, and you massage these 2 points here, and do that for 10 seconds. So now that you have activated this area, now you can start doing your exercises. Number one, you have to pinch your nose like this and lift it up like that. This will also help in improving the blood circulation and lifting up this muscle. Basically you're trying to exercise. So the muscles that I told you here, there are two muscles, you're gonna warm them up like that and improve the blood circulation. Be very gentle, don't apply a lot of pressure, don't be very vigorous, and this you do 5 times. 4, 5. Now the next exercise that you're going to do is you have to flare up your nostrils like this. You're going to practice doing that, and you will be placing your fingers here at the ends, and you will be flaring up your nose like this. And you are going to do this at least 10 times, and then eventually maximum 30 times. Then the next one that you're going to do is you are trying to basically flare up your nose, but not in this way like this, but like the other way, which will require a little bit of practice, but if you get the hang of it, it will help you so much in shaping up your nose. So you have to practice first. So after that, making the same thing, you much more, a little bit advances, that you're going to place your finger like this, index finger like that, you're going to put it here, trying to push a little up your nose like that. Don't apply a lot of pressure, be gentle, but definitely it will be helping in providing resistance. And then we'll be doing again the same thing. So let's do that. And as I'm doing quickly, but you can do it slowly. Take your own time, but do it the correct way. Do watch it again if you are having a little bit of confusion. Try it, keep on practicing, and you will get it. Then after that, while doing your facial massage, when you do the nose also, you can be massaging very nicely with the help of oil you apply, and then you take your fingers across like this, and you can be shaping up your nose like this. Do this 5 to 10 times. This will also help if you have asymmetrical nose or so. For me also, it had started happening a lot of asymmetry I was feeling. Then eventually I started doing these exercises, and now I feel quite better. Improvement is there. And for you also to work, all you have to do is be consistent, try all of these, and do let me know the feedback, like if you have tried, how did it work for you. And if you want me to make video on any other thing that you are interested in, do comment below, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.